Hi, my name is Anna, Customer Success Manager at Revenue.io. One thing I often hear from sales leaders is they're not sure the best ways they can customize their call dispositions to highlight things like coaching opportunities or how reps are spending their day. Today, I'm going to walk you through a few different ideas so that you can get those dispositions more granular and more useful. You can see that I've gone ahead and pulled up Admin Console, and I've navigated to the Ring DNA Dialer tab. When I go ahead and scroll down just a little bit, the first thing you're going to want to check is that Manage Call Dispositions are turned on. There's two very key benefits from doing this. The first benefit is that you can assign positive, neutral, and negative outcomes. If you're using Conversation AI, this allows you to really see what's working in conversations and what's being said or how it's being said. Really get to the bones of it. The second benefit is you can really customize your agent's experience. If you have multiple teams using the Ring DNA dialer, such as SDRs or success managers and account executives, they've got different call goals. By turning this on, you can customize what each different user profile will actually see. Assuming this was previously off, you'll want to turn that on, scroll to the top and hit save. And if this is on, you'll go ahead and scroll on down to the call disposition section. We've got a whole lot built out in Admin Console, so it's a bit of scrolling. Now, if you haven't already done any customization here, you'll click on the green plus sign to add your first disposition. We're going to call this one prospecting-objection-not a decision maker. So again, maybe I am coaching Anna and I'm seeing she's running into this objection a lot. But imagine if we also had a disposition for prospecting, objection, referral secured. This is actually more of a positive outcome where this one's a little negative. So you'll see that the default is uncategorized. Make sure to come in here and define that outcome. Again, with Conversation AI, this will allow you to actually tie this back into reporting and start to see more what keywords and how things are being said can attribute to your more positive call outcomes, or negative ones in this case. We'll go ahead and hit save. Now, once you come in here and you configure your dispositions, make sure you come in and click Sync to Salesforce, and all the way at the top that we hit save. Now, the last thing I want to call out is how do we make this more relevant by team? So when you come in and you come to manage a team, we'll come into this demo example. You can see all of our call dispositions. You can customize them by direction. So maybe we only want to see left voicemail on an outbound call, right? You can't really leave a voicemail on an inbound one. Or maybe we only want to see prospecting dispositions on outbound calls. This allows you to create that more relevant experience for agents, or if in a success scenario, you have a QBR type call or a health check type call, it's just not going to be relevant for an SDR. This will help your reps have the best possible experience. And then lastly, just always remember to come up to the top and hit save. If you ever need a refresher on managing your call dispositions or other features offered by Revenue.io, make sure to check out our resource center at support.revenue.io.